Tired of lugging around a wallet full of cards, only to realize you forgot your ID when you need it most? You're not alone. In today's digital age, it's becoming increasingly convenient to manage our lives online, from banking to boarding flights. So, the big question is, can you ditch the physical ID and rely solely on a digital version for your Commbank transactions? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. Digital IDs are all the rage, promising a world of convenience and security. Imagine being able to prove your identity with a simple tap of your phone, without the hassle of carrying around physical documents. It's a tempting proposition, right? And when it comes to banking, where security is paramount, the idea of using a digital ID might seem like a dream come true. So, does Commbank buy into this digital future? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. While the bank has certainly embraced technology and offers a range of digital banking services, accepting digital IDs for all transactions isn't quite there yet. Let's break it down. For starters, Commbank does offer an online ID check process. This means you can verify your identity digitally when opening a new account or for certain transactions. It's a step in the right direction, but it's not the same as accepting a full-fledged digital ID that can be used for all interactions. Now, you might be wondering why. Well, security is a major concern. While digital IDs promise convenience, they also introduce new security risks. Banks have to be extra cautious to protect their customers' sensitive information. That's why they often rely on physical ID verification as an added layer of security. But don't get discouraged. The world of finance is evolving rapidly. Commbank, like many other financial institutions, is likely exploring ways to expand its acceptance of digital IDs. So, while you might not be able to completely ditch your physical ID just yet, there's a good chance that the future holds more digital options. In the meantime, it's essential to stay informed about the latest updates from Commbank. Keep an eye on their website and social media channels for any announcements regarding digital ID acceptance. And remember, even if you can't rely solely on a digital ID, the online ID check process can still save you time and hassle. To sum it up, Commbank is on the digital journey, but it's still got some way to go when it comes to fully embracing digital IDs. While the online ID check is a step forward, we're eagerly awaiting the day when we can truly say goodbye to the physical wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.